South Korean President Lee Jae-myung's visit to Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, coinciding with the Dubai Airshow 2025, has resulted in a political commitment to establish strategic cooperation that includes the development, local production, and joint export of several major weapon systems. It is said that this collaboration could open up contracts worth more than $15 billion for South Korean defense companies. One of them, Seoul, offered Abu Dhabi to assemble the fuselage of the advanced KAI KF-21 Boramae fighter aircraft in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. This includes the ease of integrating Emirati or Edge Group subsystems, and jointly marketing the KF-21 in the Middle East and Africa. This opportunity would not only allow the UAE to acquire the KF-21, but could also generate a long-term revenue stream for maintenance, upgrades and exports in a region where demand for non-US and non-Russian fast jets is quietly growing. The KF-21 sits at the top end of the 4.5 generation spectrum, aiming to outperform fighters such as the F-16 Viper, Rafale, Typhoon, and MiG-35, while remaining less expensive than fifth-generation designs such as the F-35A. This aircraft, with a maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of 25.4 tons, is powered by twin US-made GEF 414 turbofan engines. These engines allow the aircraft to reach a top speed of nearly Mach 1.9. The KF-21 features a domestically developed Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar by Hanwha Systems. The radar's range reaches 150 to 200 kilometers against targets. The sensor suite features an infrared search and track system, an integrated electronic warfare suite, and modern data links, as well as open architecture avionics designed to support future sensor fusion. In terms of weaponry, the KF-21 can carry long-range Meteor or AIM-120 missiles, short-range Iris-T or Sidewinder-type missiles, JDAM and other guided bombs, long-range cruise missiles, and anti-ship weapons for maritime attacks. For the UAE, which already operates a fleet of F-16 Block 60s and Mirage 2000, the arrival of the KF-21 would provide a multi-role platform that could be integrated with existing Western munitions stocks while also providing Abu Dhabi with the opportunity to integrate its own indigenous weapons. South Korea's proposal comes amid a vacuum left by the cancellation of the Lockheed Martin F-35A acquisition from the United States. Abu Dhabi suspended negotiations for a $23 billion package of F-35A and advanced drones in 2021, after Washington linked the sale to restrictions on Huawei equipment and broader concerns over the UAE's technological ties with China.